Hey everyone, today we're replacing my side view mirror, so let's do this. It was flapping around in the wind and I stopped and just kind of pulled it and it came right off. You can get replacement ones if yours actually fell off, pretty cheap, so this is something you can easily do by yourself. Just buy a 2-part epoxy, make sure it's like marine grade, performance grade, something that'll hold up to a moving vehicle, hot weather, cold weather, whatever climate you're in. Make sure to mix it thoroughly. You want to get that bonding agent mixed up with the other. So once you spread it out, this stuff, it had a 5-minute set time, so I had to hurry up pretty quick, get it spread out. Let it set up for like a minute before you place it, and I put a shim in there because you don't want to set your mirror and have it touching the bottom of your casement there, because then obviously when you move your mirror around it's going to rub. So I get that set up. Once I know I have enough clearance on top, bottom, side to side, then I go ahead and get a clamp and I hold it on there good. Really easy fix. When it fell off, I'm like, oh crap, but you know, this is held. It's been about 3 months now. And make sure to take off the clamp when you go driving to work the next day, unlike me. I looked at my side view mirror, it was still on. So thanks for watching, appreciate it, talk to you later.